Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
A is for apron, nice and neat. B is for baking powder, makes cakes sweet. C is for cookie cutter, fun to press. D is for dough, it's a sticky mess. E is for eggs, we crack with care. F is for flour, it gets everywhere. G is for glaze, so shiny and bright. H is for hand mixer, spinning just right. I is for icing, smooth and sweet. J is for jar, for treats we keep. K is for knife, to cut with care. L is for loaf pan, bread bakes there. M is for measuring cup, scoop it full. N is for nozzles, piping cool. O is for oven, hot and loud. P is for parchment paper, soft as a cloud. Q is for quiche pan, round and deep. R is for rolling pin, roll it neat. S is for sifter, shake it slow. T is for timer, dig, let's go. U is for utensils, tools we use. V is for vanilla, yummy to choose. W is for whisk, spin like a race. Y is for yeast, that makes dough raise. Z is for zest, with a lemony smell. Now you know your baking tools so well.
Next time you bake a cake with me, sing this song from A to Z.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.